Hi, Vytas here, usually your watercolor teacher, but I'm not going to talk about watercolor today because you've done so many great projects already, and I'm saving my best one for next year when I will see you all. I'd be happy to teach you again. Today I'm going to talk about my sculptures. This one is the Iron Wolf, which you've seen because there's one at Nettinga. It's exactly like this one, same exact material, same size. And I made this one about 20 years ago, and I made the one at Nettinga about 3 years ago. They were inspired by this, which is a wood carving. Well, you all have one of these on your mantle too. We did these a couple years ago. This original one was made by Father Tony Medicus, who was my counselor back in the 1970s. He made two of them, and he had a raffle in the cabin, and I got one of them, and I kept it. And that was the seeds were planted for some great projects here, just like I'm sure you've got some great projects out of Nettinga. So let's move on. This one is the Vytas, which is the coat of arms. And again, you made one similar to this when you made your shields with your family names on them a couple years ago in my class. This one is made out of bicycle chains. What I do is glue the bicycle chains on, and then I weld them, and then I get a torch and I cut all around the whole thing. I've made a few of these, and I'm going to be taking 2 of them to Lithuania to put on my relatives' barns, which I'm very excited about, but that's next year when we can all travel again. So I'll show you how I make this stuff. I cut with a torch. I put them, when I weld, I put it back together with a welder, but I can't show you that because don't ever watch a welder. You can damage your eyes or go blind. The guy has a shield on when he's doing it, but you won't. So I'll show you the safe part. This is an oxygen tank. This is an acetylene tank. This is burnable gas, and this just makes it burn really hot. That's your acetylene flame. Runs about 3,000 degrees. When I put oxygen on it, it makes a very hot cone, which will cut metal. When I turn it up a little. There's my cone. So if I'm going to cut metal, I would heat it up. And burn through it. And light the grass on fire. I'm not going to be doing this at camp because it's about 7,000 degrees. And I'm not about to be handing these out to campers. But if you want to learn on your own, talk to me. I'll tell you how you can start learning how to do this.